Hi, we're here at GSI and we'd like to demonstrate to ASTM D5596, which is carbon black dispersion. What you're going to use for this is a microtome apparatus. This is a very old one, but still very rigid and works very well. Please be cautious. There's an extremely sharp knife here. This knife has replacement blades associated with it, and these blades are extremely sharp and quite dangerous if handled improperly. This apparatus incrementally moves the specimen up, and then the knife will cut it. You have to position the geomembrane sample in it. I'll show you how one is cut. So here we see cutting the sample with the microtome. It's rather straightforward, but a learned skill. You have to get this down to 8 microns thick so that you can see through it with a microscope. So it's quite thin slices, and then adhering them to the glass either with an adhesive or an oil to lay them flat. You have to actually cut a series of 5 of them. There are 5 different specimens that need to be placed, and these are each a different specimen. Each one of these specimens will be viewed in 2 different views, and it's an A and a B, and you'll use an overlay slide for that on the microscope. So now we'll go into viewing this under 100x magnification. Again, 5 specimens, 2 fields of views, so there are 10 readings in all. You will then categorize these readings using the ASTM chart. Okay, we've prepared the slide now. You have 5 different specimens from 5 different pieces of material, and now you're going to view these under 2 different fields of view, and this is with the overlay slide. So you place the overlay slide over top of it and then place it in the stage of the microscope. The microscope needs to have 100x magnification. You do that by having a objective of 10 and then subsequently a reticle of 10. This particular reticle on the left hand side has the calibration in it, and what you do is you focus in on the 2 different fields of view and and then you categorize it. These categories are described 1 through 5 in the ASTM chart. You categorize them by agglomerates. These are typically spherical agglomerates of known area, and you use the calibrated reticle to judge that. You have 10 different views. You average those 10 views to the nearest 10th, and that's how the test is conducted. ASTM D5596 carbon black dispersion, and this is for GRI GM13 and 17.